Good morning everyone, I am Lex from class 5. Today I am telling about
Go.
layer of the atmosphere. First layer,
Come this
first
side. Why are going back side?
troposphere, second stratosphere, third mesosphere, fourth thermosphere, fifth exosphere. Thank you.
Which class you are studying? Fifth class. Say loudly.
Fifth class.
Fifth class. What is your father name?
Saurabh Chaudhary.
Saurav Chaudhary. Mother name?
Preeti.
Preeti. Sister name?
Soumya.
What is your father job?
Manager.
Where?
Sir, Tata Steel.
Okay. Mother job?
Sir, home.
Homemaker.
Homemaker. Sir.
Okay. Which class your sister is studying?
Sir, 7th class.
Okay. What do you want to become when you grow up?
Sir,
बड़े होके क्या बनना है?
sir, IPS officer.
IPS officer.
Yes, sir.
How you will become IPS officer? How do you become? What you have to do for that? What are you doing for that? आप क्या कर रहे हो उसके लिए?
Sir, study.
You are studying?
Yes, sir.
How many hours? How many hours per day you are studying? Come and stand in line, all of you.
Sir, 2
How
3
many
hours.
hours per day you are studying?
Sir, 2 3 hours.
Only 2-3 hours.
Sir,
Only 2-3 hours
sir,
you are
2
studying.
hours. Sir, 2 hours in tuition and 1.
हाँ. To become IPS officer, one has to study 16 hours. You know?
Yes, sir.
Only then they become IAS IPS officers. Whoever is becoming IAS officer nowadays, they study 16 hours, 15 hours per day minimum.
Yes, sir.
And you are studying 2 hours, 3 hours. Huh? It should increase. How many hours you play?
Sir,
How many hours you play, I am
sir,
asking.
2 hours.
2 hours
Sir,
you play.
4 to 6.
2 hours you play.
Yes, sir.
How many hours you play the mobile games? You play games in the mobile?
Yes, sir.
How many? How many hours?
Sir, I don't.
You have no count.
Yes, sir.
Unlimited time.
No, sir.
Ah.
Sir, I think 1 2 hours.
1-2 hours. You decrease that time. Playtime also you decrease.
Yes, sir.
Okay? 1 hour is enough for playing sports.
Sir.
And 1 hour is for mobile. And remaining time you should study. Go.